People on a serious note, it not really look good over Tina yard. They not look good at all. People. Then they take Tina Van last week Wednesday. She get it back last week Wednesday. Me I go tell her no sitting. Tomorrow, Bangarang I go on with Tina and Bangarang because me tell us there was something. Based on information that has reached my ears is that the food stamp is causing problem. Tina used the food stamp to buy some cakes to sell and I guess something wrong. Some nastiness, something wrong over there and Casely need the money for tomorrow to take care of father because the other day she go beg her Casely money and Casely give her a tracing but I know that. Uno see when you did see Casely around a Tina yard, uno think Casely did that go away. Tina, I want good man friend. People so me buy so me sell him and take no tight. Then say the man say him and Tina no the Tina say the man and her no there. But the man a Tina good man friend. Them a good, let's say them a good friend. Casely she go round there. Casely you come here Casely. You talk about Jamaican mentality. So when you take Jamaican car key, no mentality not in it. Casely gone round there grind off the man in a secret and Tina no know. So when Tina thinks say me going down Tina. When Tina thinks say around the Casely a come, I would a car key Casely a come for. So me say Casely give her till tomorrow for put back the money. So I Bangarang it no good with she and Casely about the father. So I one thing they go along around there. Yes, me love Casely. I go around there come here with you join Jamaican mentality. You don't want but you take Jamaican car key though. And you know if the man there with your mother because remember me as much as me no like Tina, me not tell no lie on him. The man say him man, but Tina and the man is very close. Tina and the man is very, very close. When me tell us that they close, the person said they close. But the man say him not there with Tina and Tina say she not there with the man. All of a sudden no Casely around a Tina yard things say a thing the old Casely well there with the man and I want Tina know so Tina. Or make I tell you what is going on because I say Casely do why you know so she there with your ear. Let me say your friend you hear. Cause me not too like you but me not tell no lie pound. Casely there with your man friend. So go check you out. That your man friend she there with but she don't want you to know. She don't want you know. May I beg you, make case and sell 2 cakes to give her back the money because to say Casely say if you don't put back the money she go and expose you on social media. I mean I like your voice, you know, I don't like your voice. Her voice sound look too wacky. I don't like her. I do not like as much as I don't like I don't like that lean girl. If you tell you the truth, Tina, I don't like you, but I don't like she. I don't like that girl where you smuggle that girl and come in there for. I true me, I tell you me get my story from inside so Wednesday Tina get her van, then take her back Tina van. Do you remember? Then take Tina van and should have just my girl me get my story from me deb out, you know, me deb out when Tina ball. Hey, I want thing with Tina, you know. Hey, Tina, come here. You see any time I talk, you know say Tina, me go tell you what kind of business you for going now. Come here. You know the best business where you for going now, Tina? I tell you the business where you for going now. The best business where you for going now. Other business, yeah. Go ball a people funeral. Tina, you can't ball, you know? Tina, you can really ball. May I tell you, me give you that. You're a baller. You're a baller. Yeah, me love one sitting and have Casely van because then they take away her van, repossess him van and he get it back. Wednesday gone, he get back the van. Wednesday he get back the van and he use the father's social security money and buy cake, say my sell. Buy ingredients, cake, say my sell. And I say, people, Him and K-Slay in the boxing ring. That's why I never bother to look for him because I say, and K-Slay say, if he don't put back the money, K-Slay I go come out here come disgrace him. My antenna up and running. When me tell you say me and Tina friend, you not believe me. Me bangarang a galang over the bangarang the galang over Tina yard. Bangarang in a Tina house. Me I tell you say hey, but me know say Casey a liar still. Cause Casey they come out and talk say him mother na write per voice note and say man him mother fight for man and went and Casey say nothing never go so. Casey say nothing never go so. Then K-Slay come out now, so now me see where my come out come say because they say what the I start they hear K-Slay to Tina no. Tina fi move and go cause Tina in their pamper CJ fi take man. Me say people a sound clash. A sound clash with Tina and K-Slay over there. So bear hope that she put back the money that K-Slay that fi come out here. Cause me no like K-Slay. I don't like Tina, but I don't like K-Slay. I said I don't like her. I do not like that girl. I don't like you, K-Slay. I don't like you. I don't like you. So bangarang a galang over Tina yard. Me a stay when time it's me the pancake for what? Because K-Slay say tomorrow she fi put back the money. But all Tina van then repossess it and she da drive what a case she da drive K-Slay back van and when they get back fame. So, Tina me no know what do you. I don't know if what happened to you. You look like you have to go just leave this baking thing and go do and live in work here because at the end of the day the government pay the rent for CJ. Just leave it thing and take him money night. If CJ can't take money, he's supposed to can't take care of himself. Me not see nothing to him. But something, not something, no. You have to go find out what live find, go do a living work or something, my love. Because this thing and not work out for you. When me call you jump off of the chair, the reality, and this thing now work out, me say, after what day yet, I go on in there, you know. After what day yet, you want visit me and the people, them out, door, me say, if them ever want me, then door, me drop, you want visit me and fast, like people in business. Me say, a bangarang a go on over the people, bangarang Tina backside that I got tweet because K-Slay, any only money no go back tomorrow, Tina, K-Slay a come out, yeah. And me say him and Kate, me and my people them not living so. Me and my kids are not gonna live like that. Me and my people them not live so. Me and my people them not supposed to accost and go on like two dirty girl. Two dirty girl. Me tell you, it's people are big Tracy that go on, you know. Big Tracy that go on the part where sweet me. K-Slay said Tina Pampas why? The part where sweet me I went K-Slay say Tina Pampas CJ if it take man. Not on the bed. Murderous. Then they ask the CJ him in a back shot position. But in the part 4 not talk to man. Mighty God, Tina. No, can't play with Tina. She's a god. She's a god. Yeah, remember say no. She frustrated, but our end doesn't not develop. Remember say I smuggle. Remember say no. K-Slay I smuggle. K-Slay. Let me tell you something now. Hey, hold on. Let me tell you this. K-Slay have to be a thug. Cause guess what? K-Slay was smuggled in America. K-Slay grew from house to house to house to house. K-Slay witness gun. K-Slay witness door can off. K-Slay witness them a batter him mama like a punching bag. Then you trust me now, she not have to be thugs. She have to be tugged because she witnessed it, she growing it. She no fool around here. Why she call people batty man, you have to understand with her. When she say progressive gay man and fair son batty no do no business, that's when the grudge come in. Remember say Tina grudge everybody for everything, you know. A bad mind Tina we are talk about, you know. Bad mind Tina we are talk about because she bad mind her father till she take him social security. But me get to understand the food stamp can't sell. So Tina come here, ma'am. Cause me have question for you, no, cause me not put nothing past you. Me don't put nothing past you, cause if you can take your hand underneath and turn it to that suitcase. Tina, come here, ma'am. Tina, let me ask you something. Is it possible if sell your father food stamp for buy ticket for go to concert? Blessings. Is it possible if sell your father food stamp to go to Buju concert? And that may I ask you. Because I say, what you do with the food stamp? What you do with the man food stamp? Case they want to know if you go buy food and pampers your grandfather, you near me off. She don't like see nobody happy. She not sleep. Another live mother. And the money where she can't find back because she and Casely in a one big dirty girl war over there. I may tell her say for what day man Casely at it. You may tell her say for what day you say Casely a cousin. You're damn lucky you get money. I had the food stamp you sell and go help forget the van. Tina, how come you make them a repossess your vehicle, Tina? Tina, why you don't pay for your vehicle? You did a one little piece of white car, your eye too red. If you not because just is somebody with it, you do not try to get it when you cannot, if you cannot afford it. You did a one little piece of jalopy, one little piece of white car. And as soon as you see Miss D go cheap, go buy the van, you run go and take out the van and you know you cannot pay for it. Your eye, this is what it is. Your eye too red. When you don't realize that Miss D buying van cash off on YouTube and in sinting their money and in cake money. You not sell cake. You not use your underneath again because you're coward now. Then you go walk out, go spin popular map the floor. Then use your map the floor. You know you cannot make it, so why you want to break it? You cannot, you know it. You could not afford it. Why you make them repossess your vehicle? You did have the little piece of white car, everything you see the woman do, you know you couldn't afford it. See them now? Then turn off vehicle pan you, then they repossess it. And Wednesday you get it back. Then the case you know because she come for car key, she make you drive for her van. What a nasty dirty life. And your daughter now and you know that she there with your friend. Cause me I say your friend, you know, because me can't imagine say history go repeat itself for you and cake and the man say you no there. You say you and the man no there. So Marco, if in case anything I would have the man fault. As much as I don't like you and as much about it's all the while you and Casely share the same penis. That's nasty. But I would have the man fault me all. You hope that the man now rocks you, hooks you, and gonna rap rooks out Casely too. The Nash done have nothing in it. Me not understand what is going on all the while. Then the little one there, she know the little maga one there. And me said, yeah, I'm pit deep the one then can't fight no battle now. They must fight one battle there. And me no know CJ I go fight that the battle there because I say a long time me not see him over Casely yard. She broke and she can't pay for it. What she got to take out now? See it now? He can't pay for the vehicle. He can't pay for the vehicle. Then repossess it at once. Just then start repossess your vehicle, you know, then not tap come feed no, because they know so you broke so you don't pay them. Them a run come back feed. Them will never stop repossess your vehicle. Then caseless who gone with the piece of black van and all in here again. Lord, what a nastiness, what a bangarang. Tina, you have to learn to see people things and leave it alone. You're too teeth, your eye too red. When you take the man food stamp them for. And Casely now make no we got the poor man a feed. Boy, me I tell you say the poor man, see another case of elderly abuse, your Tina father, the poor man a suffer. The poor man a suffer. You can see now the man face, the man don't happy. The poor man a suffer because the first thing Tina do is take her father and put him in her arms house. Before she go get place and the man a come in there, the man when the man take you with your smuggling in your belly. Boy, me I tell you no. Oh no. Uno will be an anto uno. After me see me love and after me realize I not 24 and a 90. Me want know the price of the cake. Sometime at 24, sometime at 49. Sometime them me see the cake them a come out. Tina tell me something you not have none. You can't crush the nuts them. When then the big old nuts they are doing a cake. Boy, I mean I understand. No at all. Big old what kind of Lord my God of Almighty. Boy, oh boy, I don't know for your lifetime, sir. I don't know for your lifetime, sir. You look like you curse. You look like you curse. Boy, oh boy. A PP loan money Tina take on the breast and batty banker and go bankrupt. Don't tell no lie upon her. She does not sell no cake. Nobody now buy no cake because she not selling no cake because she have to sit down and cuss. And me notice say she do the dirty life them pan her business page. Nasty dirty workless man Tina lucky ya. Me I wait to see she put by the bunny and case me I go see if me can get a little bit more Tory and drink my coffee. You know have a blessed day.